Bow maintenance, keeping your instrument in top shape. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating topic of bow maintenance. For those of you who are music enthusiasts or simply curious, this will be an exciting journey. Remember, understanding specific phrases like this not only enhances your vocabulary but also gives you insight into different cultures and practices. So, let's get started. First things first, let's clarify what a bow is in this context. A bow is a stick with horsehair used to play string instruments like the violin, viola, cello, and double bass. The bow is essential in producing sound from these instruments. Good bow maintenance is crucial for the longevity and quality of sound of these instruments. Maintaining a bow is vital for several reasons. It ensures that the bow produces the best possible sound and protects the bow from damage over time. Proper maintenance extends the life of the bow, making it a valuable practice for all string players. 3.1. Regular cleaning. Regularly clean your bow with a soft, dry cloth. This removes rosin dust and prevents buildup that can affect sound quality. 3.2. Rosining the bow. Rosin is applied to the bow hair to create friction with the strings. Use good quality rosin and apply it evenly but sparingly. 3.3. Checking for damage. Regularly inspect your bow for any signs of damage, such as warping or hair loss. Early detection can prevent more severe issues. 3.4. Professional rehairing. Eventually, the bow hair will wear out and need replacing. This is best done by a professional. Avoid touching the bow hair with your hands, as oils from your skin can damage it. Loosen the bow hair when not in use to relieve tension. Store your bow in a safe, dry place, away from extreme temperatures and humidity. And there you have it, a complete guide to bow maintenance. Remember, taking good care of your instrument's bow ensures beautiful music and a rewarding playing experience. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English language learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring new horizons in language and music.